Hello class 6, welcome to Adult Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 4.6 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Before starting the exercise, here are some points to remember. Question number 1. From the figure identify A. The center of the circle, B. 3 radii, C. A diameter, D. A chord, E. 2 points in the interior, F. A point in the exterior, G. A sector, H. A segment. So here is our figure. From this figure we have to identify the following. So A part, the center of circle. What is center? The fixed point is center. This is our fixed point. With the help of this fixed point, we had drawn this circle. So this is our center. And what is the name of the center? O. Part B, 3 radii. And what is the meaning of radii? Radii is plural of radius. So what is radius? The radius is a line segment. This is our line segment that connects the center, this center, that connects the center to a point on the circle. D, C, B, A, E are the points which are on the circle. But we have to identify radius here. And radius is a line segment that connects its center to a point on this circle. It means OP, OA and OB are radius. And what is plural of radius? Radii. It means we have 3 radii. OA, first one, second one, OB, third one, OC. OA, OB, OC. C part, a diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is a line segment which passes through the center of the circle. So AC is a line segment and is crossing the point O. And what is O? O is center. It means diameter of this circle is AC. D. A chord. A chord of a circle is a line segment. Here, these are lines. ED is line segment. AC is line segment here. So, a chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points ED. These are 2 points on the circle. So, joining any 2 points on the circle. So, ED is a chord. Here, we can see AC. AC also a chord. So here we have 2 chords, ED and AC. Part E, 2 points in the interior. Interior means inside the figure. So here are 2 points which are lying inside here. This is O and one more is P. It means point O and point P. Part F, a point in the exterior. Exterior is outside the figure, and here only Q. Q is lying outside. So point Q. G part, a sector. From this figure we have to find out sector. A sector is the region in the interior of the circle. We are talking about interior. Interior of a circle enclosed by an arc. What is arc? AB. AB is arc. BC. BC is an arc. ED. ED is also an arc. So the point should be on circle. So finally, a sector is the region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc. Enclosed by an arc on one side. Here, this is one side. Here, and a pair of radii on the other two sides. These are radii, OC, OB. So this is also a sector. So the name of the sector is COB and one more BOA. So AOB is a sector, BOC also a sector. H part, a segment. Here we have to see this figure. What is segment? A segment of a circle is a region in the interior. So here also we have to find out a segment inside the figure. So a segment of a circle is a region in the interior of the circle and closed by an arc. This is arc, an arc, and a chord. This is our chord. So shaded area is our segment. This is also a segment. AC. AC covering this area is segment, and ED covering this area is also a segment. So ED is our segment. Question number 2, A part. Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? B part. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? Here I have already drawn this circle for you. The A part is every diameter of a circle also a chord? So first we need to understand what is chord and what is diameter. Suppose we have a circle. This is our center point. The line which passes through center, this is our diameter, and these lines are chords. It means there is no property for chord that every chord should be passing through this center point. Only diameters are here passing through the center. So this is our center. This is a fixed point. This is our center. Line segment which is passing through the center, and these two endpoints, starting and end points on the circle AB. So here AB is our diameter, but we know that AB is diameter, it is chord also. So diameter is a chord. And what is our question? Is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes, every diameter is also a chord. A. So yes, every diameter of a circle is also a chord. Answer. Now B part. Is every chord of a circle also a diameter? So this one, AC. AC is a chord. This one is also chord. If I draw from here, this is also chord, 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 chord. These all are chords. What about diameter? Line segment should always cross through center. And this is also a chord. So here P, Q. If I am giving name, PQ is a diameter, PQ also a chord. But every chord, see here, every chord is not passing through the center. It means no, every chord of the circle is not diameter. B part, no, every chord of the circle is not also a diameter. Question number 3. Draw any circle and mark A, its center, B, a radius, C, a diameter, D, a sector, E, a segment, F, a point in its interior, G, a point in its exterior, H, an arc. Here I have already drawn circle for you. The A part, its center. So we have to mark its center. And what is center? Center is a fixed point of the circle. So this is, and I am naming it, this is O. So A is O. Now B, a radius. And we have already learned this from center to this point means on the circle. This is our radius OA. OA is our radius. C, a diameter. AO is our radius. If I extend this line and this line meets here on the circle, point B. AB passes through this center. So this is our diameter. AB. AB is our diameter. D part, a sector. If this is our radius, if I draw one more radius and if I shade this portion, this is my sector. So this is sector of the circle and name is C. It means AOC is sector of the circle. AOC. E, a segment. The entire this part is our segment and this part is also a segment. It means there is an arc and we have to draw one line. If I want small segment, then this is my segment. But the entire this part is also a segment. So here I am giving name PR. PR is a segment of this circle. F, a point in its interior. Interior means inside the figure. So here only O is the point which is lying inside the figure. So point O. G, a point in its exterior. So we have to deal with outside area. So here this is exterior point Z. H, 2 points lying on the circle. AC is an arc, RA is an arc, CB is an arc, BP also arc. So I am taking name AC, arc. Question number 4. Say true or false. A part, two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. B part, the center of a circle is always in its interior. I have drawn circle for you here and the A part is two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. What is intersect? When two line segments cross each other. It means this is our center and if I am drawing here diameter, second diameter, so these two diameters are intersecting each other here. It means A part is true. B part, the center of a circle is always in its interior. What is interior? The area which is inside the figure. the entire portion of this figure is interior. So here center is lying inside the figure. It means yes, the center is always in interior. It means statement is true. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.